Okay, so my name is Gord Weary, and I work here at Northwest Community College in the Earth and Environmental Science program, and I teach a variety of courses, mostly in physical geography and ecology in our natural science program. So here at Northwest Community College, we've really focused on the applied sciences, and by doing that, we get students out in the field and experiencing true career opportunities. Basically, in my classes, we make sure almost a quarter of the time we're out in the field doing what they do in a what I call a real-world employment situation. So we've been doing that for a number of years now, and we keep sort of improving that program. And we've had lots of successful students that our goal is after 1 year in our, when you do our natural sciences here at the college, after 1 year you have some employment skills that you can go out and become basically a junior level technician. We have a certificate program that gives you something concrete that you can go out into the workforce with. We encourage students to stay for 2 years to do an associate degree. And that's on the path to a full-blown Bachelor of Science degree. But if they only get through 2 years, or in 2 years from now, there's so much employment in this area, which we're expecting major growth in that natural science and applied science area, they can go into the workforce, gain some of that experience beginning in their second year. And it works really well in the applied sciences because a lot of that employment is seasonal. It's summer employment, especially at the junior level. So they can come to the college for the winter, take their courses as soon as they finish in April. There's a wide array of possibilities out there with all the different developments we're seeing in this area, from mining to alternative energy projects, run-of-the-river, wind energy. And the major expansion that's happening in the Kitimat area with the natural gas and the potential pipelines. So there's lots of opportunity there, I think, for people with that natural science background to work either in the geosciences, looking at terrain, looking at slope stability, at the geological environment, or in the environmental side, or a combination of the both, doing baseline studies for all these projects. They're going to need people with that background to assess the area before industry comes in, make sure they have a good idea of what they're getting themselves into, and then to continue monitoring that if development should take place. So yeah, we're well set up for that. And then again, we're partnered now with UNBC so that students can continue their studies and do a full 4-year science degree here, Bachelor of Science, and then they're even more qualified to enter these types of positions or go on into further on into their education.